Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download a video from Facebook. This workaround will work on both Reels and normal posts, all right? Say, for example, I'm going to find a person right here, which is basically me, all right? Say, for example, this one. This is a Reel. I'm going to tap on it. I'm going to pause the video. And what we're going to do is just go ahead and tap on the share button, tap on it, then tap on copy link, all right? Tap on it. Now, go to your home screen and open up your favorite browser. Now what we're going to do in here is just open up a new tab. Now we're going to type in fdown.net. All right. Once this one pops up, just got to tap on it. Now in here, as you might remember, we have copied a link. All right. Just close these annoying tabs right here, or ads. All right. Now in here in the link box, tap and hold, hit on paste. Now hit on the download button, tap on it. Now as you can see, you'll be able to download it in a normal quality or HD quality. Of course, we like HD quality, so just go ahead and tap on HD quality. And again, more ads. Just going to close this one. And it says here downloading, and it's done downloading. So the next thing you do is just tap on it or tap on open. All right, here's the video. If you want to play it, just go ahead and play it. I'm just going to play it for about a second. All right, as you can see, there you have it. That's basically how you download a video from Facebook. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.